I would do a video trying to do carrots as hot dogs. So the first step will be I will go ahead and shave off the peeling to the carrots, and then I will boil the carrots, prepare a marinade for it, let it sit. You want to make sure you wash all your vegetables, even if they're packaged. You want to make sure that you wash them, get all germs off of them. I usually use my sprayer because it hits hard. It's a lot of pressure on them. So this is how I do it. These are the carrots after I have shaved them, the peeling off. These are the carrots, and now I am about to put these in boiling water. Okay, I have placed these in water to be boiled. All right, as you can see, I have placed the carrots in the water to be boiled. Now the next thing I'm about to do is make the marinade for it. I don't have all the ingredients that Tabitha had on hers. It seems like everyone is doing theirs a different way, so I will be putting liquid smoke. I'll have the ingredients for you. All right, so the carrots are now boiling. Okay, since I still have I love that greasy taste, I am going to try mine a little notch up than the others. I didn't see in the others that they added any type of oil. So I am going to add me some avocado oil to my marinade for my carrot dogs, my carrot hot dogs, vegan dogs. So I'll let you all know how that comes out. I got to see what all ingredients that I can put together to make it taste that meaty, smoked type of flavor. And I think I will grill it on my my little skillet. Once tomorrow, I'll give you all the the results of it. Okay, these are all the seasonings prior to me stirring it up. Okay, we have paprika, salt-free seasoning, soy sauce, pepper, and I decided to do my own little thing, put some yellow mustard in it for the marinade because it does have turmeric in it, which is good for you. And I did olive oil and grapeseed oil for the healthy fat for the hot dogs, the carrot dogs. Okay, y'all see I made a little boo-boo. I got 2 hot dogs that actually broke, and one stayed its shape, the carrot dog. The seasoning tastes pretty good. It is pretty good. So I may not leave it in overnight because it seems like they're breaking up. They're pretty soft. I may have overcooked them just a tad bit, but they still felt kind of, you know, not ready yet when I last checked. See, watch this. Let me see if I can do it with this camera. See how this goes in here. See, it's hard to go into there, so I'm not understanding why it broke up like that. But anyway, we still can eat a broken hot dog. Yeah, still can eat a broken hot dog. I think it's going to be good. And marinade is delicious. Brushing my nice marinade in this here. Make sure you get all on the inside. Yeah, boy. So with mine, since it is so tender, my first time trying it, I don't want it to really soak overnight, so I'm just brushing all the flavor inside my carrots. And I am about to put these on the skillet right now because of I don't want them broken up. It looks like I will have to use my wheat bread because Walmart delivery did not send my hot dog buns, and I wanted to fix it up for you all, fix it up for myself, but I will eat it, taste it first, and I will be definitely making more of these if it tastes good. And it's also healthy. Oh my, we're gonna be on. Okay, now I'm gonna brush the olive oil over this frying pan here. Okay. And now I will place those. I'm gonna put it on 6 a little bit because I have to step away from the kitchen. Okay, they are actually sizzling now. They've broken up a little bit. So next time I will keep mine in a little bit lower. This looks like the big one is about to break. This one's gonna break. These are already broke. Okay, it's the first time. I'll perfect it. And if it's good, I know I really will perfect it. Here goes some of the carrot dogs. Gonna give it that burnt look to it, y'all. You see they broken up, so don't laugh at them. Don't laugh at them. I think they're gonna be good. They smell so delicious. It is actually good, y'all. My family said it tastes more like a carrot, but when I taste the seasoning, the smoked seasoning, the fats. It tastes really good. I believe if I had the hot dog bun, I would have fixed it up with some coleslaw, some relish, but I just did mine on wheat bread because they did not deliver my hot dog bun. So, and it still tastes good with or without the bread, without the other stuff. The flavor is good and it's healthy for you. I have all my essential fatty acids with the olive oil and the what is it? The grapeseed oil in here. So I got a good greasy, oily taste to it. Plus with the liquid smoke and all the other seasoning, the mustard seasoning. I believe if I had marinated this for 24 hours, it wouldn't have just a tad bit of the carrot taste. But it's so delicious, y'all. And I'm eating mine on wheat bread. It's really good. Good. Cheers to good health. Cheers to good health.